Hey guys, this is Kaylem for Volvo Cars New Brunswick. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes of your time today in this video and tell you a little bit about tires. So right now what you see in front of me is just a little bit of a comparison of a good tire and what we would call a bad tire. The minimum measurements for a good tire that we would consider would probably be around 5/30 seconds or 6/30 seconds. Very important, especially when you're driving on rainy conditions. With a tire that looks like this, you're going to have a lot of traction issues, which can cause hydroplaning, maybe even potentially an accident. So it is very important that when we tell you your tread measurements, when you come in for a service, that you really take into account the information that we are giving you. Another quick topic I just want to touch briefly on is alignments. Something that we recommend to our customers, especially when doing summer tire changeovers or winter tire changeovers, is having a four-wheel alignment completed. I just want to show you quickly a tire that has gone through not having a wheel alignment done twice in a row. As you can see here, especially on the inside edge, how worn and how bald this tire has become compared to this other side here. It is very important that when you do have the opportunity and you're recommended to do alignment, that you certainly take action on that. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video this week. If you guys have any questions at all about tires or wheel alignments, please give me a call in service at 506-457-4500. Thank you very much.